How to convert Spaylater to Shopeepay. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Spaylater into your Shopeepay account. But of course, the very first thing that you want to do is open up your Shopee application and make sure that you are using the latest version of the app to avoid any crashes. Now make sure that you're fully logged in into your account. Head straight into the Me tab at the lower right portion of your screen, and then from here you should be able to see My Wallet. Right there, you should be able to see your Shopeepay balance. But before you go ahead and do that, you can go down and under Financial Services, you can look for Spaylater. Now from here, this is actually an offer and might not be available for some. But for you to transfer this current fund that you have on your Spaylater, then here you just need to use this option here that says scan to pay by Spaylater. And then right here, you just need to scan the code that you have from your Shopeepay account or the save QR code that you have on your account. And that's it. That is how you convert SPayLater to ShopeePay.